Hello, good morning traders. Here's Frederick from TradersClub24. Today is the 6th March 2019. It's almost 8:50 and we want to trade the market opening in the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. So it's 8:50 a.m. and yes, so we trade the market opening with our own strategy, with our Swissbox strategy, and people are asking now, what is the Swissbox strategy? So we build up a range with two pending orders, a buy order and a sell order, and we try to just get the market break out of this range. It's a 15 points range where we get 7.5 points after that, so we are out of the market. So we will risk 0.10 from our capital, and we will try to make 0.10 from our capital. So yeah, so it depends how much money you have on your account. It's always 0.10, or you can even just adjust it or customize it. Okay, so we will place our pending orders at 8:55. So I will be back in 5 minutes, and how we'll demonstrate to you guys how this strategy works. So the beautiful thing about this Swissbox strategy is that we can go in both directions with our strategy. Um, in case that we shouldn't take profit in the first trade, and the market turns against us, we have a short pending order where we get triggered and we will multiply our positions. So we are working with a multiplicator, which allows us to make many trades, and which allows us as well that in we really don't care which direction the market is going, we're gonna take profit. And so we have like 3 minutes left till we get these pending orders. So these would be the box lines. Here are the box lines, and these are our pending orders, which we can adjust like to the top or near the daily pivot. So we will press the entry, and that's it. So the entry is always automatic because you need to just move the mouse, and the exit is always um, automatic. Yeah, so the entry is manual, sorry. Yeah, so we will see us in a couple minutes. Thank you. Okay, so it's 8:54 and we will try to activate our entry. So the entry is here, which we call the trade management, and I will just put it on. As you can see, it has changed visually. It's like a baby blue or like a light blue color, which means that we have activated these pending orders. And what we need to do is like the market opening in Frankfurt is in 5 minutes. We will wait 5 minutes and we will just watch the market. So at this point, we have like we have like the daily pivot around this area, and the big number, which are the 100 digits, which is a very good level for us should the market come back, that we can just put on another trade. So we will just wait for the volatility to come in, so the market will decide sooner or later which direction it wants to go. Um, yes, so for those who are new, um, in case that you should have questions, please send us an email, or you can just call us, and we are happy to help you. And for our subscribers, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Yeah, and feel free to comment our YouTube channel. Okay, like we have like 1 minute left till the Frankfurt Stock Exchange opens, and for those who are always watching our YouTube channel or our daily updates of our videos, um, you can see that every time it's 9 a.m. that the volatility really comes in. The volume gets bigger. So okay, okay, so it's 9 a.m. and we are in our first trade. The volatility is in. It's a short position, as you can see. Okay, it's 5 minutes past 9. Um, Still our first trade. Could be a retest. Okay, we need one more point. One more point. Okay. One more point. One more point. And we are out of the market. We are out of the market. 536 trades that we have won, and was a very long trade. We've been almost in this trade for half an hour. And yes, so basically, if you want to learn the strategy, please let us know. This trade was very long, like, and yes. So in the German trading room, they're still in it. They're in the second trade is a short position in the live trading room, which I can see over here. And yes, so thank you for watching. We will see us tomorrow. I will open the live stream now for half an hour. And no, listen, I will open the live trading room on YouTube for the whole day today, so you can see just just write in the channel. So if you have some questions, please let me know. I will be in the live trading room and on YouTube, right? So thank you for watching.